Hello, hello. It is, what's today? Today's Tuesday, and I'm at the office and I'm going to be picking up my nieces. Earlier today, I got to deliver my last batch of cookies, and that was in a neighborhood right off of Lake Michigan. So I took a little footage of me driving past Lake Michigan to this house, and I will insert it so you guys can kind of see. But I'm just at the office trying to going through mail, and then I'm gonna pick up my nieces, and then they have one of them is a cheerleader, and she has pictures today. So I think I'm going to be a little bit busy, and then I'm making dinner tonight, so I might take a video of that. This just been kind of one of those non-chaotic days. No sewing, but last night I did get to work on my secret Christmas project, and then hopefully I'll get to work on that again tonight. I have got to get that done. So much pressure. All right, I will talk to you later. What are you saying? Okay.
Hi.
All right, it is what time is it? It is 3:30ish, and we have one child that is getting her picture done for cheerleading, so she's going to be in the school, and she didn't want Auntie or her sister with, so we're eating French fries from McDonald's.
Oh. And here you have the resident emo goth teen child.
And this is my niece. So we're snacking. So niece number one and I are snacking. She's got French fries and I've got a Dr. Pepper. Don't tell Big Daddy. But I do have my painting from yesterday at that diversity event. This was my painting. It was abstract, and it's supposed to be a picture of the state of Indiana. I didn't draw the state of Indiana yet, so I'm still going to finish that. But this is what I came up with. I think it is this way. I have the yellow at the top corner. So this is what I did at an event yesterday.
It does look very abstract.
But I like how I did the brush marks going different directions, and I thought it was kind of cool.
French fries are good.
French fries are good. Well,
you're gonna have to tell me.
You already know what it is.
Wait. Let me
secret, but hold on. A secret project I'm working on.
Give me the first letter it starts with.
You know what it is. I can't.
I can't.
What have I been working on for months?
Oh.
I think you and your sister are the only ones that have seen it. And my friend Jennifer. You're the only ones that have seen the super secret project.
I think I know that person.
Is she done already, or is she coming out late?
No, that's Brina.
Well, what? Is she coming out? She's not a cheerleader.
No.
Okay, so we're waiting for your sister, but I can't really see because there's a car in front.
But anyways, so my guitar broke last night. Yeah, we're upset about that. This is just turned into me.
This is the niece number one blog today.
Yeah. I'm filling in for Penny.
Yeah, you're filling in for Penny. I went to Miller today to drop off cookies for the family that had the house in the summer on Lake Michigan. Do you remember the house?
Oh, yeah.
They got a tray of cookies today. How were those cookies? Did you have any from yesterday?
I ate almost all of them.
How were they? Because everybody watched me. I made those live on YouTube.
They were good cookies.
Were they good? What was your favorite? Chocolate chip.
Yeah.
Did you eat all the chocolate chip?
Yeah.
Did you have any of the other kind?
I had a ginger snap and all the peanut butter.
Okay.
They were all very good.
Thank you.
I recommend cookies.
Good.
Well, anyways, my guitar broke last night. So yeah, if you can't tell, we're upset about that.
She's very upset about the guitar breaking.
We had a minor crash out. Actually, a D2 crash out.
What's a D2 crash out?
Division 2 crash out.
Oh, okay. Listen, the people that are watching this they're all like, you can send that hate mail, not to One Lisa Show.
Send the hate mail to my address.
Everybody that watches this is my age or older, and 95% of them are women.
Okay, so let me educate y'all. So
but be polite because they're all over the world.
Okay. A D2 crash out means like Division 2 crash out. Do you guys know what crash out means? I hope you do, because I don't feel like explaining that right now.
Is a crash out like just like it's just chaos?
Pretty much, and like you get really upset. It's like
like all heck has broken loose.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
I heard a D2, maybe a D3 crash out. I don't know what the heck Division crash out is, but oh well.
When that happened to you yesterday?
Oh yeah, because I just found out about it yesterday. I don't know how long it's been broken for.
Oh, okay.
Like, for Christ's sake. Lord have mercy upon him.
But it sounds like it's a very fixable.
And that won't even tune right.
It's not going to tune right if that one piece is broken, but we can get it fixed. And if not, I think...
And the strings are all shot.
That is wear and tear, and that's normal. That's normal.
French fries are good. I recommend French fries, everybody.
From McDonald's.
Only McDonald's.
What other French fries do you like?
Shoop's is good.
Okay, Shoop's is not all over the country, though. Shoop's is local to Indy.
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen French fries.
And Culver's.
Culver's, I don't think, is all over the country either.
Well, wherever you can get Culver's, get Culver's.
I love a good Culver's.
I know ice cream. Ice cream. I recommend ice cream too.
From Culver's.
Any ice cream. In the flavor of chocolate.
But not a milkshake?
No. No milkshake. I recommend any chocolate and the chocolatiest flavor ice cream you guys can get your hands on.
With the French fries?
No, just on its own.
Okay, I was just asking.
How else would you eat ice cream?
Some people like to dip French fries in the ice cream.
Ew!
Or they get a milkshake, they dip it in the milkshake.
Ew.
Yeah, I think so too. I agree.
My friend does that. That's disgusting. No hate. No hate. No hate. No hate, but like that's disgusting. I would never do that. Oh, that was my ex-computer teacher.
Oh, okay. All right. So
she's gone. She's getting her teacher's license.
Do you have anything else you'd like to share on my channel while we're...
Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah.
She got a Coke today, and her mom is going to be so mad at me for letting her have a Coke. All right. That was a lot that went on for a while, that banter between my niece and me, and I enjoyed every moment, but some of it just kept going. And she really wanted an appearance in my show. So hopefully her mom will let her keep it on because I'm going to ask her mom first before I make this public. But anyway, I am working on dinner. If you hear the sizzling, that's because I'm making broccoli cheese soup and I'm working on my roux. I've already cooked the broccoli. I better turn that down. Woo! Yes, I'm going to work on the roux for my soup and no sewing today. Hopefully tonight, after we're done eating, I'll be able to do some sewing on my super secret project, and then I will have more tomorrow. Tomorrow's a busy day too, so hang tight, hang with me. I hope you guys do something creative wherever you are in the world today, and thank you for all the kind comments, the hypes, the likes, and all the love. I appreciate it, and tomorrow I'm going to the association for one of my board of directors meetings. See you then. Bye-bye.